Hey there, friends. Today we're opening up the handheld dog repellent uh, ultrasonic dog chaser by Xgood here. Let's open this up, shall we? Alright, this is an unboxing that's already been unboxed. So inside we have instructions. Okay. And this needs a 9-volt battery, which I already put one in there, so yes. Oops, what's the deal here? Get back on there. Okay, slide this back in there. So, alright. So what this has on it, it has a light. You could switch on the side. It has these buttons here. It says light, trainer, chase, and chaser. Light, train, chaser, and on. So if you switch it to light, it has a nice little LED on there. So it's kind of bright. So it works like a little flashlight. And then you could switch it to train, the middle mode there. And if I push the button, I don't know if you could hear that, but it makes like kind of a little high-pitched sound there. And if I switch to chaser, that's the one that's supposed to repel the dog. So I haven't tried it on a dog yet. I don't have a dog, but it is a highly annoying sound, if you can hear that. So it repels the family members quite nicely. So let's go see if we can't maybe find a willing participant here. Alright, so here we have the dog chaser. I'm just going to put it on train mode and see how Vincent likes it. Hey, buddy. Oh, so I just pressed the button a little bit. Come here, buddy. Come on. Come on. Hey, guy. Okay. It's okay. Good kitty. Okay. So cats definitely don't like it. I was just on training mode and it scared the little guy. I'm sorry, Vincent. Okay, buddy? You're a good kitty. You're a pretty kitty. Yes, you are. You're a good kitty, Mr. Mister. Mister. Oh, pretty kitty. Yes, Mister. Alrighty, so good kitty. So that's that. It definitely scares cats. I don't want to do it to him on the chaser mode because he's my Vincent. So if I can find some savage dog, maybe I can do it then. Well, so I can't tell if it's like looks like it just keeps, it was barking and then it's not. So it seems like this thing works actually pretty good. That's like the second time. I'm sorry I don't have a better example here, but yeah, that was on chaser again. And so far so good. Alright, here we go. Walking. And there's a dog barking. And it's not barking anymore. So that was on chaser mode. Okay, we can walk back by again and see if it's barking or not. And no, it's not barking. So dog went bye-bye, I guess. Alright, here we go, my friends. Final thoughts on the Xgood dog chaser. So this thing is actually pretty cool. As you can see on the earlier videos, I was trying to get a video of like a savage dog here, but don't really in my neighborhood that'll like really aggressively. Sometimes dogs come up to you or right between the fence and you. So I had some coupled with the dogs barking, and one little shot from this seemed to really calm them down. So you saw what I did to the cat, and that was just on train mode for just a little second. That's my cat Vincent. I thank him for participating in this. He still loves me, by the way. So this little thing is actually pretty cool. I was really skeptical when I got this. I was like, you know what, there's no way this is gonna work. But you know what, I think it does. Every time I walked by a dog barking at me or whatever, one little shot from this, and it just completely stopped. So yeah, pretty impressed with this. It works, man. What can I say? I really did think it was, and it's a nice little flashlight too. I mean, it's not like super bright, but in a pinch when it's dark outside, it's there you go. It's fairly bright, so pretty cool. It also kind of looks like a stun gun, so had some fun with the kids with that, you know, coming up to them and so pretty awesome little product here. Yeah, I'll leave a link to it in the from Amazon in the description below. So thanks for watching this review, my friends. Everyone have a great day out there, and we'll see you next time.